We're going to learn how to build a simple matching app in just 5 minutes. You do not need any coding experience to finish your app. In this app, you have to match the names of your favorite superheroes with their images. Before we get started, you need to install Construct 2 and download the template that you see on the screen. Double-click the file to open it in the Construct 2 app development tool. Now click on the Projects tab and review the structure of the template. There are 4 screens or layouts in this app. When you click on the Get Started layout, it opens the app's start screen. This houses placeholders for the app logo, name, and description. You can click the Level 1 layout to open the main screen. Here you try to match all the superheroes' names to the matching image before time runs out. Finally, by clicking on the Game Complete and the Game Over templates, you're transported to the Game Completed and Game Over layouts, respectively. The Event Sheet section shows you the underlying code that powers this app. Clicking on the Level 1 event sheet will display all the code associated with the Level 1 layout. You will learn how to modify it in a different tutorial. However, we described what each line of code does, so feel free to explore it. With this background information, let's get started with building the app. Select the Level 1 layout by clicking on it and then double-click the logo image. This will open the image editor. Click on the Load Image icon and then navigate to the folder where you have saved your app's logo. Select the logo and then click Open. This will once again open the image editor, and once you click on the Close button, the logo placeholder image will get replaced by your app's actual logo. To customize the text for a specific text box, click on the text box to first select it. Then click on the Properties tab. After this, click on the Text Properties section to edit the text for the selected text box. Let us call this app Superhero Match 2D. As you can see, the text on the layout has been replaced as well. You can customize the app description text box below by selecting it and then following the same method. Now let us customize the main body of the app. Select the Level 1 layout to get started. The logo has already been replaced because of your earlier customization. We will decrease the size of this logo by selecting its edge and then dragging it. You can put this image in any position on the screen by simply following a drag and drop. We will create this app by replacing the image of each letter with the image of a superhero. Double-click on A to get started. We will replace the image of A with Batman's image by clicking on the Image Load icon, and then we will select Batman. Now we will select Batman's image on the main layout and click on the Properties tab. Then we will change the size of the image to 150 by 150 to make sure all the images align. Then we will select text box A and go to Text Properties to replace the content of the text box to Batman. We are going to follow the same method again and again and replace each of the letter images with a superhero's image. We are then going to replace the text associated with each superhero image with the name of that superhero. Remember, each time you replace a letter image with the image of a superhero, the size should always be restructured to be 150 by 150. We are now going to test the app by clicking on the Run Layout option. This launches the app. We click on the Start screen to go to the next layout. As you can see, the app is fully functional. Dragging the superhero's name to the corresponding image is a feature that is now functioning. The timer on the top left-hand corner of the screen is counting down from 30 seconds. The user is required to match all the heroes with their corresponding name before time runs out. If he fails, he'll be taken to the game over screen that you'll be able to see right now. You can build a variety of fun or entertainment apps using the template that I shared with you today. For example, the IMA app teaches children the names of many different animals in a very fun way. Another fun app in the store today is the IC A to Z app. It teaches children the letters of the alphabet by applying the same principles you learned today. And now you can create tons of fun apps.